Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good morning. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. How are you?
Ma'am, fantastic. How are you?
Ma'am, fine. How are you?
Okay, all of you, please open your cameras, beta. Only Kibla has opened hers.
Okay, ma'am. Just opening.
Ma'am, for one day I've not attended the French class because I got a stomach ache.
Okay. So you took the work from D group. Did you take the work from there?
Ma'am,
Yes.
I give. Ma'am, I have got given.
Ma'am, just 1 minute. I open my camera.
Okay. Now this is the last class, I believe, before our exams, right? This is the class. This is the last one
Yes,
before your
ma'am.
exams. You know the syllabus
ma'am.
for your UT1?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes,
What
ma'am.
is it? How many chapters are coming?
No one.
How many chapters are coming in your UT1? Just
Ma'am,
one
only
chapter.
one chapter.
That is
only
lesson
one
C.
One.
Right? Lesson C's. Now, children, is there any doubt, any question in your mind regarding any concept, anything? Please ask. In this class, this is the last class where you can clear your doubts. Anyone has any doubt regarding any concept?
No,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
in UT, we will get questions like change this sentence in French and change this sentence in English.
Yes, you will get, and you will get questions in French only. The heading of the question, like suppose it will be to translate in French. So it will not be written translate in French. It will be written traduisez en français. You should know the meaning of each and every question. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubts
Yes,
now
ma'am.
regarding any concept?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay, fine. Now what I'm going to do is I'll give you a few questions. I'll type a few questions in the chat box. Fine. And what you're supposed to do, you are supposed to do them in your copies. It will be a kind of revision. Let's see how much you can do by yourselves. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Take out your copies. Okay, I'm typing the question in the chat box, children.
And this is like a test.
Yeah, this is kind of your worksheet that is for practice.
Ma'am, we have to answer that in chat box or in we have
No,
to
in your
write
copies,
in.
beta. You will write it in your copies. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
So that before your exams, you can even revise it. You should have it in written. What is the meaning of météo plurial? I hope all of you know what is the meaning of météo plurial.
Yes.
Good. Now children, when this question says météo plurial, I hope you are very clear with this thing, that how we put or how we change anything into plural. How it is to be changed. Suppose indefinite article has been placed before any noun. So you have to change it by using the plural of indefinite article only. If definite article is given, you have to make it plural by putting definite article only. And un gets changed to they, des. La, la, and l apostrophe gets changed to les only. After doing question number 1, let me know. The next question I'm going to type after it.
Ma'am, written.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, in the first part of the first question, ma'am, it means bench.
Yes. 10th one, no? You're saying the 10th one?
Ma'am, first one.
First one. Wait, what is the first one? Let me see. No, it means stockings. Stockings in French is called bas.
Okay, ma'am.
And the 10th one means bench.
Okay.
Ma'am, S will be silent.
Yes, S will be silent.
Can we write them in masculine or feminine?
What?
And we'll write garso in them in these words in feminine or masculine.
Beta, you have to write them in plural. The question is to change them into plural. So garçon will be garçon only. But what it will change to in plural, that you should know. Children, done question 1?
Ma'am, only 4 are left.
Ma'am, doing. Ma'am, if the bird is with apostrophe sign, then after changing it to plural, we will not
What?
put apostrophe.
Beta,
Ma'am, if any bird is with L apostrophe, then after changing it in plural, we will not put apostrophe.
no, after les, you will not put any apostrophe. It will be les oiseaux.
Okay.
Ma'am, ma'am, I
Yes,
don't know three. I don't able to do the three sums in first one and the sixth one and seventh one. I have not done the case. Just let me show you.
Which one? Fifth one. Seventh one. Beta, show me properly. I'm not being able to see it. Which one you're not able to do? Tell me. No, it's very blurred, Sanya. It's very blurred.
I'm now.
Okay, the seventh one is un garçon. Now, what will un garçon change to? What is the plural of un? Now, see, all you have done wrong, beta Sanya, where that is what I told in the beginning. And I have written also, after my message, I have written also, and un gets changed to des in plural. See, after the 10th one, I have written down there, and un gets changed to des, while la, la, and l apostrophe get changed to les. Is that clear?
Ma'am, done.
This way, beta, all will be wrong. If you put les before everything, it will be wrong.
Okay, ma'am. Let me correct.
Ma'am, done.
Done. Okay. Now, next question. Just two questions. We're just going to do these two questions today. And then we'll discuss it. 5 sentences in mete au femina. Now, how are you going to change it into feminine? If there's any doubt, ask me.
Ma'am, now can I show you? Where is it? UN and UNE. Then I put DES. Let me show you.
Yes.
Ma'am, now is it correct?
Now it's correct, beta. Now it's correct. And
Ma'am, what is we write first one?
First one, what is the first one? They fee. Yun fee, are you
No,
talking?
ma'am, I don't know. I
Okay.
don't know about first one, first question which you have done.
Un ba becomes de ba, des and bas, de ba, which means stockings. Bas means stockings, the long socks that girls wear. It'll be de ba.
Can I send you on your WhatsApp?
What?
Ma'am, can I send you this which I have done on your WhatsApp?
Beta, first do the second question also. Send it to me all together.
Okay.
Ma'am, in second question, we have to change them in feminine.
You have to change it into feminine. Now listen, beta. This student has sent me the work. Who is he? Aryan Kumar. Aryan, beta. See, you have changed everything. You have changed the articles, all the articles. Like and un, you have changed to des. But what mistake you have done is, you have not added the noun. Sorry, you have not changed the noun into plural. Now, if you will not change the noun into plural, that will also be wrong. It will not be counted correct. Like suppose in un fee. Now, un fee you have changed des, they fee. But fee, what will be the spelling of fee? Filles. Then it will be correct. They feel like this is wrong. Similarly with oiseau, with homme, horloge, none of the nouns you have changed in plural. These nouns have to be changed in plural. Do you understand?
Ma'am, Zahra is saying that she got disconnect and it is showing connecting from long time.
Zara got disconnected.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm typing all the answers, children. You are scaring me. How many times I have told you how these exercises are to be done?
Ma'am, I am in fourth one. Question number 2, 4.
Okay. Aryan, please check the chat box and see, look at my answers. How these nouns are to be changed in plural. Not only the articles, but the nouns also.
Yeah, ma'am.
Ma'am, in first question, there is one word written in the third one, azio. Ma'am, if we will, ma'am, I have changed it and my answer is also correct. But ma'am, when we change it, why we put X in last
Now
instead of
listen.
S?
See, this is one rule of changing all the nouns that are ending in E, U or AU. जिन भी nouns के last में spellings में EU आता है, AU आता है या EAU आता है. So how do we change them into plural? We change them into plural by adding X in the end. We don't add S over there. In which 3 cases? AU, EU and AEU. Write it down in your copies in bold letters so that you remember it.
Ma'am,
All the nouns.
Question number.
Yes.
Ma'am, question number 2. Last one, to a
Bow.
to
To
a.
a
Ma'am, what
bow.
is that?
To a bow means you
the
are
meaning of-
handsome. You are handsome. Now, what is the feminine of handsome? Can girls be handsome? No. Girls will be beautiful or pretty. So, what is the feminine of bow? To a belle. Belle means beautiful. Okay, to a remains the same. Only the adjective will change to feminine. To a belle, yes. Nous sommes. Okay, now listen. Beta see, Sanya, in my nous sommes Indian. Indian is in plural because it is written with nous sommes. And how you have changed into feminine? Make it plural over there, otherwise it will be wrong. Send the picture in the class group, I'll tell you.
Okay.
else, non.
Ma'am, send.
See. Now, the first one. Elles sont japonaises. Now, japonaises, should it not be in plural? When it's elles sont, my sentence is ils sont. Even I have missed ILS. So, ILS. What is the feminine of ILS? ELLES. See in the chat box. ILS का feminine क्या होता है? ELLES होता है? Sont
Yes,
will
ma'am.
remain the same. SONT. They are. And what are they? They are Japanese. So Japo, NAISES. Why? Because we have changed it into female. आपने female में change करने के लिए E तो add कर दिया. But why have you edited the S? Why have you omitted S in the end? Because it is in plural. So nationality should also come in plural. Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Got your mistake? Then
Yes,
Je
ma'am.
suis française. That's correct. Je suis française. Then the third
I am
sentence.
French.
Il est un homme. Elle est une femme. Very nice. Very good. Correct. Then nous sommes indiens. And nous sommes indiennes with S. Again, you forgot to put S. We are Indian or we are
Okay, ma'am.
Indians?
Indians.
Indians. Good. Then tu es belle. Tu es belle is correct.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I just got disconnected.
Okay, after doing this, beta, all of you, Sanya, just make the corrections and then send it again on the class group. Children, you can refer to these answers for the correction.
Ma'am, send.
Send. And delete the first one, beta.